It's Officer Jones's tie.
All right, so let the jury know that Officer Jones was the reason for her escape, okay? Now, that is my client, all right? So Mr. Jones did not know that she was caressing him at the time when she took his tie, okay?
He knows!
All right, so, well, let's continue, all right?
Okay, well, I go ahead and tie it here. Twist it around by the ballpoint. Use it as handle. And
So
try
you do
to
this with
pull it
multiple
out.
partners then?
Well, yeah, with their tie. But this is Officer Jones's tie. You can see. You can see here.
All right, all
His
right.
name is somewhere here.
No. Let's figure this out. And
See, it's out. Let's see how easy it is.
I stand corrected. My client is innocent.